Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you two ways of querying the database. So one way is we are going to use the Eloquent in order to query the database, and the second way we are going to use the DB Facade with raw SQL, and we will observe the differences. In order to observe, we will need to install Laravel debug bar, where we will track the time of the query. Because the time, of course, in our application is very important. We want to have fast user experience, fast loading time. So we need to get the best results in terms of time. Okay, to do that, firstly, we need a database with a lot of data. I have already created one, and we are going to seed the database with some data. By default, we have the user factory, which is located in the folder, in the root folder. We are going to access database, factories, user factory. Everything here is created, so we are ready to use it. Okay, let's close this. Now we are going for seeders, and we need to uncomment this. Probably you will find it commented, and you will have a different value here. I put 70,000 because I want to create 70,000 users in our database in order to see the differences. So imagine you've got a website which is running already 3 years, and you had already a lot of users sign it up. So in our case, it's gonna be 70,000 here. So change this value with 70,000. Probably you have like a different value here by default. Okay. So once we have that, let's migrate your database. PHP artisan migrate seed. We're gonna wait a few seconds or minutes probably, because 70,000, it's quite a big number. So the application needs some time to run the factory and seed the database. Okay, while it's seeding, we will check the Laravel debug bar. I have installed it already, but I will show you how to do that because it's not complicated. So Laravel debug bar. So you just access this GitHub link, and you need to get to this command, composer require. You just copy it, you just put it on your terminal. Let's suppose here, you run it, and it's fine. Mine is already installed, so probably it's just going to update it. Nothing to install. After that, just make sure in your env file that you've got appdebug set true, and after that you're ready to use it. Let's see if our seeders are ready. Okay, seeding database. Okay, it's complete, right? Let's check for 70,000 records. We're gonna open our local server, users. Okay, we have the records, but let's just count them. Count. We do not need the condition. Go. Okay, wrong. Select all from users. Spelling error. Okay, we've got 70,000. Good. Now we need to query the table. In order to do that, we will go to web.php, which is located in the routes folder, web.php, and we will query it straight away here because I don't want to lose time creating a new controller. Okay, so let's define users variable, and firstly let's use the Eloquent, right? So user all. It is as simple as this. Wait, something is wrong. Multiple definitions exist for class users. Okay, we need to specify, right? In the routes, we need to specify that we are instantiating the users class from model directory. Yeah, now we've showed the path. Now it's fine. Okay, now let's check our application. So we need to run PHP artisan serve, PHP artisan serve. Here we go. So we've got 900 milliseconds request duration, and we've got 149 megabytes of memory usage with Eloquent, and 70,000 modules instantiated. That's a lot. So we are instantiating every time the user's class. So 70,000 times we are instantiating the user class. That's why we are losing time. So let's check now the DB Facade, the other way of doing that. So we're gonna check users equals. I've commented the first way we have done. So now we're gonna use DB Facade, DB select. This is the way. Okay, select all from users. That's it. Just a simple select. We are not going to complicate the things. So DB select all from users. I have imported that, as you've seen probably. So you need to use illuminate support facades DB. So if you don't import that, this select is not going to work. So you need to import this class in order to use it. Otherwise you'll get an error. So be careful if you don't have PHP Storm. I don't know on others, but PHP Storm gives you the ability to import them straight away from here, but in other IDEs you need to do it manually here up. Let's see. Make a refresh. Now we've got 400 milliseconds, so it's twice less. We've got 800 first time, or 900. Now we've got less. Okay. We've got the views, okay, queries, select all from users, and models, no model instantiated. Yeah, so it's twice faster than our first using Eloquent. So I would recommend using this when you have big amount of data and you try to select that. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Hit the button, subscribe, like this video please, and see you on other interesting video on this channel.